Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be discussing how you can set an alarm in your iPhone 16 Pro Max or in any iPhone. You want to look or go to your app, clock app. If you see, you have to find this app and in your iPhone and just tap on this app. A menu like this will come up. Now on the bottom section you see there are four options we have: world clock, alarms, stopwatch and timer. So as for now video, we just wanted to set an alarm, so I'm going to tap on the alarm and a menu like this will come up. To set up new alarm, there's an option on the right corner. You just tap on it and you can set up the new alarm, or if you have any previous alarm you can enable it. So as for now case, we are getting to set a new alarm, just tapping on it. So here the time will come up. You can set adjust the time of AM, PM or whatever hour or minutes you want to set the alarm on. And then there is an option of like if you wanted the alarm to be repeated, if you want to repeat it like on every Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, you can adjust the days of the week you want it to repeat, or you want to make it daily, you just need to tap on every option. That's how you can actually make it a daily repeater. So you can label this alarm like for what reason you are going to make this alarm for, and from here you can actually select the sound, and then the snooze option is on. By saving it, it will automatically put it down. By saving it, it is actually gonna save the alarm and set it down for you like this, and it's enabled. So that's how you can set an alarm on your iPhone. If you still have any other question, just leave a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. I hope this video helping out in setting up your alarm. Bye bye.